on as book spec. That's class. I love these cars.
Hello world and welcome back to Accelerate.
And welcome to a very popular car on the car scene at the moment.
Yes.
We've got Jack's Honda Civic EP3 Type R running 253.5 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
Still naturally aspirated. This thing is going to scream, so let's get stuck in, shall we?
Let's do this. This is going to be good.
Full on as book spec now. Oh my god! Jesus! Okay guys, so you join us out on the road in Jack's EP3, and first things first, the revving and the popping, oh my god. I've heard some pops and bangs, but god, you feel it through the car, don't you?
Yeah.
Do you want to give us a quick rundown, because you said obviously the car's very modified. I tried to memorise the spec list, but do you want to give us just a quick rundown of the main things?
Done a fair few bits to it. Full 3-inch solid fab exhaust system.
Yeah.
Jap speed 421 decat.
Yeah.
It's got a self-made K&N Typhoon V-Stat inlet manifold tactical racing.
Oh, nice.
Budget one.
Is that all you've, because obviously it's been mapped as well, but you said it's running 253.5 brake. Is that all it takes to sort of get one? Because it's, I mean, it pulls so well.
Yeah, that is literally all I've done, and also I've had a bit of gearbox work as well.
Yeah.
I don't know, it seems to work with a 5.3 fine and dry diff.
I say it's just these cars, these engines, they love to be revved, they love to just be bashed off the limiter. Roads, like, it feels so capable. Like it
is.
Just
like
feels...
the diff has made a massive difference. It's still on budgets and it handles like a dream.
Now obviously the best thing about these cars, I think, is the engine and how they scream. So we're gonna head on up now and hopefully Jack can show me what she's made of. They just encourage you. I love how you have to keep it up in the rev range.
Oh yeah, you've got to keep it up.
They're not the fastest things on the road, but you know when it's screaming at 8.5 power, I don't care how fast you're going.
It revs to 9, it's mapped,
Is it really?
Yeah, it's mapped.
Wow, such a capable car. Ooh, I was quite impressed with that. have some fun. Yes. I love how you can just live on the limiter on these things.
I love it.
Great. Feels like such a fun car. I can't stop smiling. It's great. Oh yes. So these cars are perfect examples of you don't need 500-600 horsepower to have fun.
It's
I mean,
253.5 brake, and
with the right mods and the right chassis, I mean, it's just so much fun. I mean, and you can do that all day long. 9,000. It's such an aspo car.
But it's all on a switch, and now it's gone.
Yeah, that's amazing. God, this car my face is hurt. I couldn't stop smiling. Whew. Well, Jack has kindly offered to let me have a go, so yeah, it's time to have some real fun. Oh, I miss having a car with bucket seats and harnesses. Oh my god, you got. Jack said these seats were mounted low, and they are mounted low. But my god, you got to see my view. It's literally. Yeah, you can barely see over. You should be interested. God. Yeah, definitely strapped in. This is yeah, oh, I'm liking this. First impressions, like I said, sat so low in this thing. Your eyesight is literally the binnacle. So you have got to sort of, yeah, where you've got the shifter. A bit of controversy when they were first released because a lot of people didn't like how close it was to the steering wheel. God, I feel like I'm a million miles away from the steering wheel. There's just something about a Civic, the way you can, like I was being sort of gentle then, but you can still just bang through the gears.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so much fun. But even driving in normal, they're such nice cars to drive.
And that's what I wanted. I didn't want an all-out track car. I want a dailier as well. So
I was to say, so it is your daily then, is it? Yeah. It's a lot quieter than I thought it was going to be. Like we can have a normal conversation now.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's due to the exhaust. That's why I went for the solid fire. It's got a silent.
Gotta say, yeah, it's
at the back.
The tone is really. I mean, it screams when you want it to, but that's what I mean. Like now we're cruising at 2,500 revs. It's not droning at all. The pops and bangs, it's like second gear. Do you know what? I really like that. Really like the way the gear, where the gear stick is. I like how you got to fight with the steering wheel a bit as well.
That's the diff, that is.
It just, like I said, it feels so capable. It feels so well done, honestly. And like I said, it encourages you to just go fast. Like even off feeder, let's do 3,000 revs. Oh my god. It's just fun.
Yeah, it's such a fun car to drive. It makes me smile every time I drive it.
Because a couple of people keep saying to me, the case from the MX-5.
Yeah.
And I love these engines, so maybe that's on the cards. One of my favourite things is like how close ratio the gears are. So I want to say a massive thank you, obviously, to Jack. Really appreciate you bringing it down. Really appreciate you letting us have a go because God, I love these cars, and it's just made me remember why I love these cars and why I love these platforms. And even better so, I think it's about time Kenny had a go. I always find it comical when Kenny tries to get into a bucket seat with harnesses.
Back to me. Here we go. I haven't done one of these for. I shouldn't swear. I haven't done one of these for years. Nice. That pulls well, doesn't it?
It does pull really hard and all for years.
Smooth though, really, really smooth power. Yeah, there's always been something about a Honda. You just can't beat that.
No.
that NA feel. Oh, that crossover. Oh. I think I need an NA in my life again.
Yeah.
So you've got a diff in you as well, haven't you? You can feel it, just there's no torque steer, is it? Wow. Yeah, it just pulls, doesn't it? There's no drama. That's what I'd say. It's you know, trying to get. It's a weird feeling.
Yeah.
Being an Honda without torque steer.
It's weird. It doesn't talk to you, but you are fighting when it's pulling because the diff is trying to pull you round.
Yeah. See, because we're in straight lines, obviously, it's not getting that full effect, but yeah, I can feel that then because we were turning left slightly.
Yeah.
This is fun. Fair play. I need one of these.
Yeah, definitely.
I love it, honestly. Oh, I do love this thing. This is awesome.
Yeah, it's a smile on your face.
Definitely. That's what it's all about, though. It's like you speak to a lot of people chasing numbers all the time. You don't need to. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, the Evo's quick, but I think this is more fun. I think this is more fun. I think this is more fun. Oh man. My rev. That's awesome. Man, thank you so much just for letting us go nuts with this, because it's class. Honestly, what an experience, man.
It's only the hiding raz off me every day when I drive it.
Well, that's why people buy these cars, isn't it? It's for that reason.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and I understand now why people love them. Do you know what I mean? I haven't driven them for years, so it sort of went out my system. But driving this today now, man, it's what a buzz. Do you know what I mean? It's class. Say thank you so much again for letting us both drive it.
No, it's fine.
That's class.
Thank you for having me.
No worries. Anytime, man. Anytime.
Oh, the Honda Civic Type R or the EP3 Type R.
EP3, yeah, first one we've done.
Yeah, so we've done an EK9, done an EP3 now. As I say, we have got talks with an EG, so I'm looking forward to it. So, today's made me realise just how much I love Civics.
I now know why they're so popular. You know?
It's just that thing of, like we say with a lot of cars, you don't need 500-600 brake horsepower with these. You just rev them all the way to 9,000, banging through the gears. Oh,
and they love it.
Yeah.
That's the other thing, isn't it? They absolutely love it.
And I want to say to Jack, like, he drives it the way it should be driven. He just batters it, but that's what they're built for. They will take the abuse all day long. Yep. And that's what I absolutely love about them.
Yes.
Stay tuned for this one because Jack is going, he's got a few more plans and he's actually going to be tracking it as well. So we'll keep up with him on that and we'll keep you updated. But I think that'll do it for today.
Yep, definitely.
So, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And we will see you in the next one.
See you then.
God, I love these cars.
It's awesome.
Want to buy it?